If your first YouTube video idea is, hey guys, welcome to my channel, I'm going to lovingly tell you to don't do that. Don't. Just don't. Most first-time YouTubers are making the wrong first video. You want to introduce yourself. You want everybody to know you. And let's be honest, initially, nobody cares. They just don't. So in this video, I'm going to show you what to make instead. So your channel actually has a shot right out of the gate with your very first video. What most people post first, and it flops most of the time, if not all the time, is just a typical start, a long welcome video where nothing really happens, random vlog, and then silence. And you may be thinking, well, wait a second, I'm introducing myself to the world here. No, if you give them something, they'll want to know who you are. But if you don't give them anything, they don't care who you are. They initially think, what's in it for me? That's what a new viewer thinks. I'm going to click something. What's in it for me? You know it yourself. When you go on YouTube, you're looking for something. You're looking for something where what's in it for me? The right information about a football team, the right information on how to fix something in your car. What's in it for me? Your viewer didn't click to hear your whole life story. They clicked because they have a problem or they have a question. And your early video, your first video, should earn trust by being useful, not by introducing your entire biography. Wikipedia, here we come. So, what your first video should do: 3 things. 1, it should prove your channel is for a specific kind of person. 2, it should solve a real problem they actually have. 3, show that there's a real human they can connect with behind the camera. Your early video, your first video, is not a resume. They're a sample of how you help them. That's what you want. Now, you can sprinkle into the next 10 videos a little bit about yourself. Like at the end of this video, I'm going to say, hey, I'm Bill. Hope you subscribe to my channel, blah, blah, blah. You'll get that at the end, but you're not going to get that at the very first. Do this now. Do this now. You need to know me now. No, you need to know me when I have enough of your trust. That's pretty much how it works. So here's a better first 3 to 5 video structure. Solve one obvious problem. Your very first video, solving this problem. For instance, for me, one of my very first videos was, over 40 and want to start YouTube? Do this first. Solving a problem. You want to start? Let me help you solve a problem. Here's another idea. Same viewer, it's the same type of viewer, same journey. It's a next step. Saying your first 5 YouTube videos should be, and that's something that I did. Your third video could be a short personal story, which tells your viewer a little bit about yourself. But what you're also doing is you're helping them understand and solve a problem. You're helping to relate to their struggle, saying you've been in that struggle as well. Good idea. Your next couple of videos could be simple how-to videos or mistakes I made videos. I got a lot of videos about mistakes I made, just saying. And it keeps serving the same person with the same problem. Remember, you're basically talking to one person with one problem, and you're getting their attention by understanding where they are, helping them understand that you were also there at one point, and that you're just as human as they are, and it's not an AI answer. You're just helping a person solve a problem. You know, you've been there, I've been there. Let me tell you how I got out of it. So it's about service, not spotlight. It's about the guy behind the curtain pulling the ropes and whatever they do behind the curtain to make the thing work. It's not the spotlight, the person up front dancing, singing, or telling jokes. You can do that later. Maybe, but probably not. It's about serving. Your first video don't exist to prove that you're interesting. They exist to prove that you're helpful. Ooh, that's pretty good. Once you've helped someone a few times, then they care about your story. Then they care. Maybe then you can introduce yourself a little bit. Your advantage as an over 40 type creator is you've solved some real problems. Lead with that. I'm old enough to know that I've solved some problems and I can help. So here's what you want to do. Identify that next big step. In other words, this idea, turn it into action. Ask yourself, were my first video ideas actually solving a problem or just introducing yourself? And then write down this. My viewer's first question is, fill in the blank. Take a calculated step of faith. Say this with me, kind of. Today, write a 3 to 5 video list using this pattern. Solve, next step, story, mistake, or how to. You got that? There's your first 4 to 5 videos. Solve a problem. What's the next step? What's a story that relates? And what are some mistakes or how-tos? Pick one idea and outline it in 5 to 7 bullet points. I'd stick to 5. And then you're ready to film. You're ready to go. Now, don't worry if these aren't the perfect topics. They won't be. They will not be perfect. If you're looking for perfect, it's never going to come. Failure isn't posting the wrong first video. Failure is never posting at all. So stop asking, what if this doesn't blow up? It won't. And start asking, what if this finally gets me in the game? Or even better yet, what if this one video helps one person? Now you're really in the game. You're helping other people. So if you're over 40 and you're ready to build a channel around service, not random uploads, hit subscribe. I'd appreciate it. I told you earlier that I was going to do this. And drop in the comment, your new first video will be about what? Let me know what your first video is actually going to be about. And remember that framework that I mentioned earlier.